Yeah, what are we gonna do today, people? That.
What it do, YouTube? Parental advisory. Hello, what it do on the truth? Man, myth, the legend, real authentic, he's the truth. Like, comment, and subscribe. Everything you gotta do if you wanna join the BPH army. Salute.
What up, fam? Saturday, so the studio just looking terrible. I got these for the giveaway we're gonna be doing tomorrow, I think. This needs to be redone. I don't know why the hell that's out. Yeah. There's a whole lot of stuff. That is the main goal this weekend. I did a poll on Instagram asking about you and your boxes. A lot of you guys have said that you don't keep the boxes under $30. Smart. I just can't get rid of some of the artwork, man. It's just so dope. But this is the main concern. We have to situate that, paint it, and get it taken care of, people. That way it's just not an eyesore, and I can record on this wall again because I avoid that side just because of that. So that's today's mission, people. Secure that and downgrade some of these designer boxes. I don't know, man. Just some of this I just can't part with, but there's just no point. A lot of you said y'all keep them in case y'all want to sell them. I will never sell them, so that's just pointless. But just the artwork alone is just so nice.
5 minutes later.
Alright, so those are the ones that made the cut, people. I just can't part with them. 10 years still in the box, so he's never coming out the box. He'll never be on display, so that definitely has to stay. But the other ones, I just can't let them go. The King of the Artists, those are probably my favorites. Out of my statues, the super plastic, just the artwork alone, gotta keep them. And the Nendoroids, the pieces that aren't being used are still in that. And of course the Heroes Rising box, yeah. Now let's pull this out and attempt to attack this little wall situation, man. I hate it.
Said it's snow on the token, no fire, good he can spit. Call me Johnny Capahala, cause I'm back on my shit. I'm finna kick it like I'm David Beckham back in '06. And let you kids know that I got way more for you than tricks. I'm known as the truth, that can be hard to swallow. It's time to break a leg like it's showtime at the Apollo. The way I flow up the top, you think I live in Sleepy Hollow. It's 609 until I die, put that on my mama. I solemnly swear that I'm up to no good, especially when I'm on this mic and doing shit you wish you could. Address me as the hometown.
Alright, so what I think is going to happen, got the paint and everything to get ready. What I think is going to happen, people, we're going to take this off the wall and go straight across and then come down. I was trying to stay aligned with the glass case, but I just don't like it right there. So what I'm going to do is go straight across and then come down. But this is going to rip sections out the wall, and I'm going to have to fill it back in and then paint. So that's going to be the process. Then I'm going to run the LED lights through the back of this. So yeah, that's what we're about to do. Let's see how it turns out. Look at that. That's how it's supposed to come off. Just a little bit of residue. You see that? You can sand that down. Boom. But no. Jesus. Now I got to fill this in. Project.
2 hours later.
All right, so we got the LED strip in. And we got this plastered up. So we're gonna let this dry, sand it, then paint it, and we're done. Yes, sir. All right, so we got everything plastered and dried. Now we're gonna sand, tape off the spots we don't want painted. It's time to sand and paint. Progress, people. Progress. Let's get it.
Hercules, known to get a body shaking like it's Parkinson's disease. I humbly fuck everybody else up in this profession. I am the best and I don't believe they were in the question. Born with the essence of a legend while y'all been pretending. Take this lesson as a blessing, kindly get to stepping, cuz it is on my nature to always remain humble. But fuck that, now I'm there to make sure that the cookie crumble. I beat my chest whenever it is time to rumble. Who am I? You looking at the coolest monkey in the jungle. It's of my nature to always remain humble. But fuck that, now I'm there to make sure that the cookie crumble. I beat my chest whenever it is time to rumble. Who am I? You looking at the coolest monkey in the snow.
Let's go see if they got this Endeavor Figpin, people. Seeing what they got. One of this is on sale.
The only thing that's coming up on my search are like refrigerator magnets, like ABC kind of stuff, or for your planners to hold up notes. I don't see anything like, I'm assuming someone.
The lady lied, they didn't have it here, but we caught, what? They're right here. Should I check it? Yeah, I might check the price. No Rocksteady or Bebop? Nah. Looking for this Noid, people. I still have yet to see it in the store. I'm not trying to pay that shipping. Looks like I'm gonna have to, though.
I made to myself a little over a year ago to show up in my own life.
I still got the Chester Cheetah joints.
Whether they were the result of bad memories or good ones in the making.
Ain't nothing here. Let's see, they got the thing. They got plenty of the things. I know somebody was saying something about a Red Hulk. Squirrel Girl. I like that. I like that.
Oh my God! Wow!
Alright, so here we go. I need to sand that out a little bit more. I might leave it though. I don't really care. It's gonna be behind. So yeah, people. Coming together. A couple more coats. I added another piece down there, so I'm gonna paint that. And we're almost good to go. Yo, so I'm headed back to my Target because I didn't post those mini fig pins that I found to register at the other Target until I got home. So the homie Haha Collectibles hit me up, was like, yo, are you still there? I need those, and you know, if somebody needs them, I'm gonna try to help out. So plus he you know, he looks out for me, so the least I can do is at least go to my Target and see if they have them, and if not, I'll run back to that Target tomorrow. So yeah, so I'm going back to Target before they close. It's 9:55 now. They close at 11 here. Probably close at 11 everywhere, but we headed back and to see if my Target at least has them, that I can cop them for him and return the favor, because he always goes to the Funko headquarters for me and cop stuff, so I ain't got to go through Funko and I can get it early and I ain't got to worry about shipping it and you know, the boxes being damaged. So we headed back to Target, people. Yeah. Plus the paint's drying and stuff, one last coat, and we should be good with the that little corner section. So yeah, I should have posted while I was already there. Should have asked like, anybody need these, but I didn't think anybody collected them little minis. But yeah, I mean, shit, everybody collects something. So we're almost at Target now. I'll see y'all inside. Just off GP before I go. I gotta check. Nope. I found another one. I'll pick it up. Why not? That's crazy, because Pop Finder said this Target didn't have any, and that's why I drove out to another Target. And that's why I'm checking this Target, because that Target wasn't correct.
And we are Comic. Our comics are a sweet and wholesome comic series that follow our relationship and all of the silly things that happen in it.
No many fig pins here.
Our comics actually started by accident. Years
What
ago,
is this?
something funny happened, and John said,
That's pretty cool.
about that.
I like
Our
that.
new book, Snug, is about what it's like to be in a relationship with your very best friend.
I don't know what it is, but I like it.
And super unique moments that come along with that. We're super proud of this book.
There ain't
So
nothing here.
excited to introduce it to you guys.
Alright, so we're back from Target again. And we picked up another Endeavor. Yeah. They didn't have the pins that I saw at the last Target. Ah, man. I'm sorry, bro. I should have posted while I was at Target, but I wasn't thinking, man. Anyway, we back home. The paint is drying. We're going to do one more coats, and then we can put everything back. See how it turns out. See how it looks over it. And, yeah. But that Endeavor pen, though, godly. So, Trail, I'm going to send yours like April something, man. Payback. I'm gonna ship these two out tomorrow. Trail, you gonna have to wait on yours, bruh. 2-week minimum. Put a backsplash for the super plastic display. Today's topic is displays. I don't know which ones he needs.
What to do, YouTube? Parental advisory. Hello, what to do on the truth? Man, myth, the legend, real authentic, he's a booth. Like, comment, and subscribe. Everything you gotta do if you wanna join the BPH army. Salute.